Hi, I'm Jan Philipp from the Munsch team, and this is the quick start guide for all of our max extruders to show you the main functions of the machines and to get you into operations quickly. So first thing after unpacking is plug the extruder into the power supply. The machine will start up then, and you control all the machines with our Munsch control button. So press it to get started. It will ask you two things. The first thing is which material are you welding, and the second thing is which is the welding rod size. This is used to choose the right temperature calibration in the background. So if you choose these two things, it will start heating up, and it will show you here the time it still takes to heat up. So here, for example, 5 minutes and 50 seconds to go. The extruder is always controlled with a button. By pushing and turning, you get to the menu where you can do all the core adjustments. On the top left side, you can turn on and off the LED lights of the extruder. The second icon is for the extruder drive speed. Choose this one, and you can see here under motor that you can now go down and up with the speed of the extruder drive. This setting you can also adjust while you're welding. For example, if there's a corner and you want to go down with the speed a little bit, you can also adjust it while welding. Always click to save your entry. Again, push and turn to go back to the menu. This icon here is for the material temperature. Choose it, and now you can see here that you can go down or up with the material temperature. Click again to save. Push and turn to go back to the menu, and on the top right side it's the same function for the air temperature. Click it, now you can go up and down with the air temperature. Again, click to save. The two icons on the bottom here are for calibration of the machine. You can find this in a separate video where we explain it. On the left side you can always go back to the overview of all your settings. And this button here is to turn off the machine. So when you're done with your welding job, press this one and you can see that the machine goes into the cooling mode. This is the icon that shows you that the extruder is cooled down enough and ready to plug off now. Thank you so much. This was our quick start guide. If you have further questions, please feel free to contact us anytime, and enjoy welding.